I spent my hard-earned cash on these drip irrigation system kits so you don't have to waste your money on the wrong ones. Gardening can be a hassle, and watering your plants shouldn't be. With the right system, your plants can thrive while you sit back and relax. Let's dive into my top 5 picks for the best drip irrigation kits out there.
Product number 1, MICC 230FT Quick Connect Drip Irrigation System Kit. When I first unboxed the MICC 230FT Quick Connect Drip Irrigation System Kit, I was immediately impressed by how comprehensive it was. With 33 feet of main tubing and a whopping 197 feet of 1/4 inch tubing, it felt like I had everything I needed to set up my garden for success. Picture this. I had been hand watering my plants for weeks, and it was a time-consuming chore. But with the MICC system, I could finally automate this tedious task. The innovative quick connector technology was a game changer. I was able to set up the entire system in just about 10 minutes. No leaks, no fuss, just plug and play. The kit includes adjustable nozzles and emitters that allow for various irrigation modes. I could switch between micro droplets, sprays, and other modes, which was perfect for my diverse range of plants. I remember adjusting a few nozzles to cater to my succulent and herb garden. It felt like I was a gardening wizard. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this kit is incredibly versatile and suitable for a range of applications, whether it's your backyard garden, potted plants, or even a greenhouse. The ease of installation is another huge plus, especially for someone like me who isn't particularly handy. However, I did notice that if you're covering a larger area, you might need additional tubing, which could be an extra cost. Ultimately, the MICC 230FT Drip Irrigation System Kit is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to simplify their gardening routine while ensuring their plants are well watered. It's reliable, efficient, and saves you time and water, which is a win-win.
Product number 2, Rainbird Drip Kit Bag Drip Irrigation Repair and Expansion Kit. The Rainbird Drip Kit bag caught my attention for its convenience. As a gardener, I often found myself needing to repair or expand my existing systems, and this kit seemed like the perfect solution. When I opened the portable storage pouch, I was thrilled to find 100 feet of self-dispensing 1/4 inch blank distribution tubing, along with an array of universal drip irrigation parts. The organization of the components was impressive. Individual bags held emitters, connectors, plugs, couplings, and even stakes. This was a huge relief because I can't count how many times I've had to search through a messy toolbox to find what I needed. One of the standout features was the patented emitter installation removal tool. This little gadget saved me so much hassle when it came to working with emitters and fittings. I remember trying to install new emitters on a hot summer day, and instead of struggling, I simply used the tool and it was done in seconds. Now let's break down the pros and cons. The major advantage of this kit is its versatility. It's perfect for both repairs and expansions, making it an essential addition to any gardener's toolkit. The quality of the pressure-compensating emitters is impressive. They delivered consistent water flow even under varying pressure. On the downside, if you're looking for a complete standalone system, this kit might not suffice on its own. It's more of a supplemental kit. However, if you already have a system in place or are planning to expand, the Rainbird Drip Kit bag is a must-have. It provides quality parts and the convenience of portability, making gardening easier and more enjoyable.
Product number 3, Carpathian Drip Irrigation System Kit. I was excited to test out the Carpathian Drip Irrigation System Kit for its promise of making gardening hassle-free. As someone who often battles with watering schedules and plant needs, this kit seemed like a dream come true. It came with a variety of components, including 10 vortex and 20 spray emitters, and it felt like I had everything I needed to set up a complete watering system. The flexible and durable 5/16 tubing was a delight to work with. I could easily run the main line from my water source to the various sections of my garden. Setting it up was straightforward. I branched off using the 1/4 inch drip irrigation tubing and managed to connect 30 emitters without breaking a sweat. The adjustable spray emitters were particularly impressive. I remember planting a new vegetable patch and needed to ensure each plant received the right amount of water. With just a simple twist of the cap, I could adjust the flow for each emitter. This precision watering is what really sets this kit apart. Let's discuss the pros and cons. An obvious advantage is its durability. The UV-resistant tubing withstands various weather conditions, meaning I wouldn't have to worry about replacing it every season. The detailed instruction guide was a bonus, providing practical tips and ensuring I made the most of my setup. However, if you're not careful with the adjustments, it's possible to overwater some plants, especially if they have differing needs. All in all, the Carpathian Drip Irrigation System Kit is an excellent choice for anyone wanting a reliable watering solution that adapts to their garden's specific needs. It truly helps you become a gardening master.
Product number 4. 230 FT Drip Irrigation System for Garden. Unboxing the 230 FT Drip Irrigation System for Garden was a revelation. This kit came packed with features designed to simplify my gardening life. The first thing I noticed was the upgraded half-inch diameter tubing that promised to handle high water pressure. I had previously struggled with systems that couldn't keep up, so this was a welcome change. Setting it up was a breeze. The connectors and emitters connected directly to the 1/4 of an inch irrigation tubing. I remember feeling a sense of accomplishment watching the system come together without any special tools. Watering my plants started to feel effortless. One of the major highlights was the variety of adjustable sprinkler heads included. I could easily switch between misting, stream, and vortex modes, which allowed me to cater to the specific watering needs of different plants in my garden. However, while the installation was straightforward, I did find that the instructions could be a little clearer for first-time users. Another minor con was that the system could get a bit tangled if not stored properly after use. Despite these minor drawbacks, the 230 FT Drip Irrigation System is a great investment for anyone serious about gardening. It's efficient, saves water, and takes away the tedious nature of hand watering. This kit has transformed my garden, and I highly recommend it. Product number 5. MIXC 100-foot, 1/4 inch Drip Irrigation System. I tried the MIXC 100-foot, 1/4 inch Drip Irrigation System. This kit caught my attention for its compact size, perfect for smaller gardens or even balcony plants. When I opened it up, I was thrilled to see how user-friendly the components looked. The 100-foot tubing felt robust yet flexible, making it easy to maneuver around my flower pots and raised beds. I loved the bendable drip emitter rods. They provided a unique advantage for positioning the emitters exactly where I wanted them. I remember setting it up around my herb garden, adjusting the nozzles to create a perfect watering grid. The 360-degree adjustable nozzles made it easy to switch between drip and misting modes, allowing for varied watering techniques. However, I did notice that if you're planning on watering a larger area, you might have to purchase additional kits to cover the entire space. On the plus side, the Quick Connect design made installation a breeze, and I appreciated the customer support offered by the brand. Overall, the MIXC 100-foot, 1/4 inch Drip Irrigation System is a fantastic choice for those looking for a simpler, more compact watering solution. It's reliable, easy to use, and makes caring for your garden a lot more enjoyable. In conclusion, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your journey, investing in a quality drip irrigation system can save you time, effort, and water. Each of the kits I reviewed has its strengths, catering to different needs and garden sizes. I hope this review helps you find the perfect fit for your gardening goals. Happy planting!